All right, Barry's going to run the 10 millimeter high point. Go ahead, Barry, whenever you're ready. I would say that's good self-defense medicine.
Runs like a champ.
Sure does. And just so you know, we're not bluffing. That's a 10 millimeter in that magazine. Runs like a champ. See, high points, they like hot loads anyway. So this works out well.
Yeah, it does.
I've got some Corbine 135 grain Powerball. Now we've been shooting ball ammunition from Federal up now. This ain't playing around. This is the hot stuff here. So we're gonna try it on that 5-gallon bucket out there.
That's pretty impressive, Barry.
That's 45 pounds of water. 41 Magnum.
We do want to make it quite clear that, as far as we know, this is the only straight blowback 10 millimeter around anywhere
In the world.
Okay, and we did have to experiment a little bit to get this right. Okay, it's not just a drop-in type of thing. We want to make that quite clear. And we're not joking around. That's 10 millimeter. All day long, people. Get out of my liquor store! What do you think, Barry?
Well, never shot a $169 10 millimeter before. Quite an experience.
Learn something new every day.
Learn something new every day.
If you don't, you're not trying.
If you don't, you're not trying. We're gonna shoot one round of Corbine 135 grain 10 millimeter out of our converted high point into that ballistics gel.
Let's flip it over to the inch
Oh, he
side.
caught that slug beautiful.
10 inches.
Man.
10 inches of penetration and perfect expansion. Let's get her cut open there.
That almost go through me.
I don't know, you pretty thick, boy. I might need something a little heavier for you.
Wow.
Introducing the new Ted Nugent series Fat Boy slugs.
Oh, look at that slug.
Look at that.
Let's put it on the cut side here. Yeah, check that out.
Ooh. Boy, you don't want to get shot in the ghetto with that.
Heck no, check that out.
Well, so it seems that our newly minted 10 millimeter high point is definitely capable of delivering the goods.
There's the rubber ball off the end there.
Yep.
Yeah, put that up there so they can see.
That's the rubber ball that's
Look
in
at
the nose
that.
of it.
Look at that. Caught the slug and the rubber ball. The slug and the ball. Look at that.
Well, the ball only went how deep? About 2 or 3 inches.
The ball came out. Let's see. Ball was right there. 3 inches.
Okay, the ball went 3 inches and then the whole slug pushed on out. Very good. I mean, check that out. Our little 10 millimeter high point soldiering on. We're gonna shoot it some more in other videos, but I'm real excited about what this can offer for everybody that's interested in a high point and a hard hitting 41 Magnum, basically. There we go.